Hey, my name is Troy Bach, and today we'll be going over my final projects. As we could see in the assignment 8, um, we are tasked with a project progress demonstration video. So this is the project. I've currently been able to execute it in Verilog code. And as we can see, I have the timescale up here. This is my top module. With the input wires, the output wires, this is the hit, this is the stand command, this is the reset, this is tens, the ones, the dealers, and one you win. This is how I have my blackjack set up. That's my reset. That is my D bounce +1, wire, hit, pulse, stand, pulse, click, and rest. And this is the card generators 1 through 10. And this is the running total over here. That's the card gen code. That is the wire, the reg into other wires. And here's an accumulator, 2 of them. The dealer draw to 17 after the stand. This is my code for that. This is our game FSM over here. And here's just some sequential and default coding. As you can see, deal 4 pulses over a couple cycles. This is the next state. The display, our P total, our sequential tens and all that. Our D bounce +1. Our card generator from 1 to 10. This is that right here. This is our accumulator, which is required. And this is our dealer draw to 17 logic. And here is our 2-digit 7-segment display, implementing 2 7-segment, just implementing the 7-segment displays. And this is called the final project.v. It's all in one line of Verilog code, and we have had a top almost like test bench. We named it tb_blackjack top.v with the timescale, the module, the buttons, the wires, the DUT to match the name above, helper tasks, initial begin. And as we can see, that is our test bench. Everything compiled with minimal errors, and I plugged it into Questa. And after plugging in this, I had got this specific graph over here, and it is quite interesting. As we can see, let's scroll down so we could have a better view of said graph. It is a line, I believe that is either the hit or the stands, and we could zoom out here. This is the graphed version of the blackjack code, which I find very interesting. It's very long. We could zoom in a little bit. Looks like this. It is like this, very long, like our Verilog code. And yeah, just let it load here. It is interesting. Yeah. All right, that is our blackjack Verilog code progress submission for assignment 8. Have a tremendous day.